How to match a coat to be more delicate and fashionable. Let me teach you the way to match the peony on the chest. It can not only protect your neck from the cold, but also add more temperament to you. How to wear a coat in autumn and winter to be more delicate and stylish today. Today we will use this 90cm square scarf. I'll share it with you. It is made of velvet cotton friendly, soft and skin friendly, and more importantly, it's made with all bright colors. All in bright colors. It can be matched on both sides and can be worn on both sides. Each small corner pattern can be tied into a bow. It's like having one has 8 silk scarves to use. It's very cost effective. Now let's fold the silk scarf like this. Okay, fold it. Use the front side. Let's wear the color on the front side for you. Then fold the second triangle. We only need to fold 2 triangles in total, and it's done. We grab the open edge below, little by little, and grab it little by little. Hold it in the palm of your hand. When all are done, put it on our shoulders. Put the 2 small ears together. We can use this rubber band together and tie a knot to fix it. After organizing it, this little foot can be adjusted in length. If you want to protect your neck and keep warm, you can pull it up a little bit and put it on our side. When matched together, it will be a side knot tying method. If you want a peony on the chest, we can pull this small foot to the middle. Pull it to the middle. There are 2 layers of folds here. We can tear it apart little by little to open up all the small folds. There, we can add buttons to it. It will be a peony flower in the middle. It's made in a bright color for everyone. So when we wear it, like 4 coats and jackets in autumn and winter, which are dull and monotonous, you can use bright colors to brighten it up. A delicate and beautiful peony is completed. Do you like it? If you like it, follow me and learn from me.